Hey, what's up guys, today we will talk about boombaby.io project. It is listed on coinmarketcap.com. Its price is $0.00024 and its volume is around $11 million and its blockchain is Ethereum and it is listed today. Then we will tell you about it. I will review in detail and we will open boombaby.io portfolio. So this portfolio has been opened. Its rank is 2554. Around 101 people have added it to the watch list. Its website is boombaby.io and this is its price $0.00024 and BTC is 1.83% high and ETH is 0.35% high. Low price is $0.0001 and high price is $0.00024 and its blockchain is Ethereum. This is coin address. After that we will come down and this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing. After that we will enter $1 here and in $1 we are getting around 41 million boom baby coin. After that we will come down and this is its description, we can read it, and its total supply is around 1000 trillion boom coin. After that we will open its website and click on boombaby.io. I have already opened this website and these are menu bar like home, daily task, analytics, donate, register and buy now. Boom Baby, a total community driven token. Boom Baby is a community driven decentralized token with automatic reward for all holders and re-announce logged on a mission. And read our white paper, watch introduction and buy merchandise. And 4% auto liquidity and 4% redistributed, 4% burn supply and max sale and buy 0.05%. Is it really community driven? So many project enters the market as community driven and yet there always some owner that set the rule for marketing and guidelines of branding. We want to encourage each and individual investor to participate as owners and not just holder. Buy Boom Baby, use Uniswap. And how much can I buy? 5 trillion is the maximum amount of tokens allowed to trade at once, no matter the price. This limitation applies to all transactions, both buying and selling. Why can't I buy more? The limitation is only on the transaction. You can make as many transactions as you would like. In other words, you can buy more coin using multiple transactions. Where can I contact the community? The community continuously creates more social channels, so please start by entering the Telegram and join our Telegram. And what's the goal? The goal is to create a platform where new baby investor can learn about crypto token and how to invest in something other than Bitcoin and Ethereum through a CEX. This includes a custom charting app, wiki pages, forums and discussion, NFT marketplace and so much more. Every app will have subscription plays payable by Boomdog. In other words, Boom Baby Coin encourage the small investor to buy and invest crypto. How can I support the project? You should be doing what you believe help the project the most, considering your personal talent. If you are a developer, code something. If you are a graphic designer, design something. If you got a talent, then use to promote the community. If you don't know, then task, tweet, share and like. In other words, you have any talent like code developer, graphics designer and other one. Who is the creator? The creator is among you all. He created the contact and launched it, logged his liquidity and has bought back in on the same terms as everyone else. What's app to expect? To start, we have 4 utility apps that are already being developed: Boom Wiki, Boom Forums, Boom Charts and Boom Auctions. And marketing wallet. The marketing wallet address this is public. Our community to verify transaction will as much as possible only be used direct investor trader to avoid any all sale and exchange. This is contact address. And guys, be careful and invest in cryptocurrency it on risk. Thanks for watching.